I was gonna do a video about the large lady and the Lyft driver. However, I saw a video that has prompted me to do this what I'm doing now. And it's where I saw a gentleman stating that Jamaicans were being deported. Doesn't feel sorry for them because all they do when they're here is floss and show off and Jamaicans back home. I'm just find it funny because I realize majority of Jamaicans have the consensus that coming to America and getting straight or making it is easy. And this is not me saying that some Jamaicans don't come to America and waste their time. However, what I am saying is that not all Jamaicans who come here waste their time. And some Jamaicans who come here genuinely wants to make it but simply can't. Or simply is having a hard time doing it and it's taking time. But instead of simply understanding this fact that going to another country takes grit, takes effort, takes a lot, takes motivation, takes sacrifice. Instead of understanding that your fellow countrymen are going through a hard time, instead of accepting that Jamaicans are bashing their fellow countrymen. It reminds me of when the teachers were leaving, and they still are. People were commenting, and even the parliamentarians are commenting on how the teachers are abandoning their country. Again, neglecting the fact that our home country of Jamaica is not easy to live in. Prices and everything is high, and it's the same in America. However, the dollar in America is stronger than it is in Jamaica, and the teachers are getting an opportunity to go to another country to earn a living, instead of acknowledging that fact that your fellow countrymen have the grit to go forth into a new country by themselves or with their family and try to make something of themselves and then contribute to their home country, because majority of Jamaicans who live in other countries contribute to Jamaica. Be it they send money back to their loved ones, or they're building homes, they're building businesses. Instead of acknowledging that simple fact, we're bashing rather our fellow countrymen for trying. It's this crab in a barrel mentality where instead of uplifting each other and supporting the ones who have enough drive and grit to try, gonna bring down each other. It's sick, it's disgusting, it's disheartening. It's sad. It's like the ones that don't try constantly want to bash the ones who are trying. Be it that those that try, be it they fail or they succeed, you constantly try to bring down those that try. And I'm saying this as a Jamaican to my fellow Jamaicans. Stop it. It's disgusting. I can tell you for a fact, I know Jamaicans that who left Jamaica and are in America, and they say they do not deal with other Jamaicans for that same thing. Stop bringing down each other. Stop talk down upon each other. Well, I will live on the same little island going through the same struggles. Our governments do not care about us, and we're all suffering at the hands of our governments. But yet when somebody get up and have the courage to stand up and try something, you know how difficult it is to go to another country and start over? I want to sit down and just talk down pan other people for trying. For trying. This video is end up being longer than it is. I'm not even gonna edit it, just I'll put it up. Anybody who know me know at this point, look here. This is just me sharing my thoughts, and it's what it is. But people, please, trying anything new is hard. Be it migrating, be it studying, be it starting a business, be it investing, be it building a house, be it getting up in the mornings on hard days. It's hard. But persons are out here trying. Please don't make it harder for them by simply talking down on them. A lot of you have this mentality where, I just that's how I am, I have to speak my mind. No, you don't have to. You're being mean. And you're enough. And you chat too much. It has nothing to do with you. Leave it alone. If you're not good for say, don't say shit. Okay? Again, this is just me sharing my thoughts. Have a good day.